Hey guys, welcome to Cook with Nancy. Today I'm going to show you guys the super delicious and super healthy moist brownie. This has no flour, no baking powder, no baking soda, yet it is super soft, super delicious, super moist, just like our regular brownies. This is a paleo brownie. If you're new to my channel or you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now. I have 2 videos every week. Here I have a bowl. To this I'm going to add half a cup of coconut oil, whether it's melted or it's not melted. Just make sure it's half a cup. To this I'm going to add 1/3 of a cup dark chocolate chip or bar would work as well. Now on a low heat I'm going to melt them together. Once it's melted nicely, I'm going to set it aside. Now as you can see, it's nicely melted. Now this time I'm going to turn off the heat and set it aside. In another bowl I have 2 large eggs, room temperature. I'm going to add that and beat them for 30 seconds. Once that is nicely whisked, I have 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract that I've added to that, and also I've added the chocolate mix we just prepared, and half a cup of cocoa powder or cacao powder, half a teaspoon salt, 3 tablespoons arrowroot starch. Here I have 3/4 of a cup maple sugar, or you can use the coconut sugar, anything that has natural sugar in it, natural sweetener. Now I'm going to whisk it, beat them on a low heat until it's well incorporated. You can use a whisk, actually that's fine too. Here I have a tin that's lined with parchment paper. Now my oven is preheating at 350 degrees. I'm going to just tap this couple times. Now I'm going to transfer this into a oven and bake them for 25 to 30 minutes depending on your oven temperature. Now make sure you rest it for until it is nicely cooled down before even you try to cut it. If you want to add some chocolate chip on top before you bake, you can definitely do that for some texture. This brownie is a killer. You can just eat them as many as you want without even feeling guilty about it, because it's super delicious, super healthy. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you're new to my channel or you haven't subscribed already, please don't forget to subscribe below. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care guys. Bye bye.